Team Kenya, says Juliet. Bernadette is asking why there's no China. Bernadette, the draw, UAESwatChallenge.com. The draw is reversed order of the rankings at the end of day 4. So the teams at the bottom of the rankings, the teams that have gone round the slowest this week, they started first thing this morning, and what you'll tend to find is that the better teams in the competition, those who've got a chance of lifting the crown, they will be going out last. Whatever the points ranking was at the end of day 4, reverse order. So last out tonight will be the Kazakhs. I'm hoping for a women's team from the Philippines next year, says Sheila Abraham. Is it Sheila or Sheila? That's a good idea. I'll let them know. Gugu says the Kenyans are so tall they could just walk over those obstacles. Wait till you see the long legs of the Rwandans. Chalabi says, Yalla Team Kenya. Adam Lugu, as we see, is he the first in the, no, he's the second in the water splash. The last of the team members coming over the barrel roll now. No issues there. Jonas says, you're the best DJ. Right, that's it, Jonas, you're blocked. A lot of support for Team Kenya. Look at that. What time is it right now in Kenya, in Nairobi? No, it's one of the coaches. Oh no, it isn't. It is one of the team members on the rope swing, and one of the others on the traverse rope. You can see the water pouring off him after he's come through that water splash. Oh, did he touch down? Did he? No. Remember, they have to do it again if they do touch down. It's 4 p.m. Thank you, Juliet. 4 p.m. or just gone 4 p.m. in Kenya. Didn't know you're only an hour behind. Thought it was more than that. There's the final member of Team Kenya that has finished the rope swing. The Irish table, the wooden wall, and then they're home. One more obstacle to go. Yeah, haul them up and over. You can see he's wearing the gloves. See a lot of team members opt not to wear gloves because when they get wet it becomes more problematic, but they are using the gloves and they jog across the line in 6:33 flat. The Executive Protection Unit of Kenya.